Hi, I'm Anna. I'm here today in the Cuvette Centrale of the Congo, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, and home to over 1,000 species of fish.
Hey, my name is Derek. Did you know the Congo has the second largest rainforest in the whole entire world? And it has one of the most intriguing environments too, the peat swamps.
Wait a second. What even is a peat swamp?
My name's Julia. I'll take it from here. Peat swamps are an incredibly carbon-rich environment with a low pH, meaning that they have very acidic water, but are teeming with specialized biodiversity.
Those peat swamps are really cool. I wish I could go see them. I wish I could work with these fishes from the Congo.
You know, just recently in 2024, researchers from the American Museum of Natural History actually went to the Congo and worked with Congolese researchers to collect fish at over 21 different localities.
Wow, that's amazing. Now I want to go there now.
Here we are in the AM&H ichthyology collections. Here at AM&H are the ichthyology collections, where there are species hosted from around the world. Here, Microlestis conjugis. This is one of the species that was collected just this summer of 2024 by researchers from the American Museum of Natural History and from the Congo. Over 4,000 specimens were collected, processed, and then brought to the US and to AM&H, where now they're permanently housed.
Not only were voucher specimens collected, tissue samples and fin clips were also collected, and now they're stored in AM&H's Ambrose Marnell Cairo collection. This is one of the ways we identify newly collected specimens. We look at morphological features of the specimens, like the amount of scales the fish has, and the specific characteristics of the fins. Then we compare them to past literature written about the Congo in this area of the Congo.
Here in the microscope, we look much closer at the details of the fish, the morphological features and the coloration features, such as with this species of Aphyosemion. Do we really think we can find all of the color characteristics just from the preserved specimen?
The fish that were sampled during the 2024 expedition. All of these specimens were photographed alive, recording important coloration information that is lost when they are photographed preserved.
This is Melopterurus melanochere. It's a catfish, but unlike most catfish, it's electric, which means that it uses its strong electricity to stun its predators. This is Microctenopoma ensorgi. This beautiful striped fish lives in the acidic peat swamps, where it creates nests out of bubbles and takes care of its children, unlike most fish.
So here we have Patagon bucosi. He has two large pectoral fins that he uses to escape his predators, and he literally jumps out the water.
This is Dolicolobus microphotomus. It's only a couple inches long, but burrows itself deep underneath the mud.
Here we have a species that are new to science, and currently goes by the genus Phenigabach. And AM&H researchers are currently trying to give this species a new name.
This research is important because it adds knowledge of these species and their distribution, which is now being held in the AM&H collections and can be used by scientists all over the world.
The area where we're studying, the Congo Basin, supports almost 500 million people with the fish that it holds. And the peat swamps, the smaller area that we're studying, is an incredibly rich and biodiverse area, but it's threatened by the energy industry in the Congo. This is why we need to deeply research this area to understand the ecology of these ecosystems and to better support them.
So throughout this research process, we followed the ichthyology researcher and AM&H. And we got to learn how to do sampling and the materials and methods used in how the fish was processed and how they were euthanized and how they were brought back into AM&H's fish collection.